I went through this thing where I had a Mr. William Buck. We sometimes remember the worst teachers, don't we? Yeah. This guy, he was fastidious. Ooh.
What is fastidious?
Thank you for that question. Very good. Fastidious. This guy had a nice little bow tie. He had everything organized, and he would not accept your homework if you went like that. He could tell if you had taken a ruler. So you had to take a ruler. It was okay if you erased. He respected you if you erased things, right? But you couldn't scratch it out and then write the real answer underneath. Oh no. So we all got pencils. It was the only class that I ever used a pencil in high school. Okay? Now, they have these little things where you say, okay, let's see. I want to find out how much, let's see, maybe this one right here is 6. Well, let's make it 60, right? That's 60. And this one right here is 30. And this angle and this angle, we don't know what they are, but we know that they are congruent. Wow, SAT word. All right, okay. And we want to know how much this is. Well, you know, it's nice because this one's 45, right? Now, you and I, what would we do to guess what this one is? Oh, that's great. Do you remember what you had to do in geometry?
You had to find, you had to prove it.
You had to prove it.
Theorems and...
Theorem 45. And then I had to quote what the theorem was from the book.
I didn't do any of that.
Oh, you didn't do it?
I was supposed to, but I didn't.
You saved yourself, what, 9 months of your life? I lost 9 months doing that crap. And yes, they're saying, oh, we're preparing you for the SAT. I don't think so. Because you guys need shortcuts. I bet you can tell me what this answer is. You can ask one of your, what do they call it on that quiz show? No. I'd like to ask my partner, my lifeline. Yeah, right, yeah. You can call for a lifeline. That's okay. Okay. Lifeline, what's that number there? No. You can call for another lifeline because he's got the answer. How did you find the answer?
I multiplied.
You multiplied. You see that? You see how that works? Because the angle is the same. Now, sometimes what they do is they will we can still find out what that is. Anybody remember this little rule? Tip number 48. Oh boy.
Oh.
Yeah.
Do you remember that? Yeah, it's great, right? Now the question is, which one is which? If I put the right angle there, C is the longest side. You got it. He uses a fancy name, hypotenuse, one of those, dead Greek names. I like longest side, right? Or it could be, as she says, B and A. Did we get my piece of paper back with everybody's address on it? It's right here. I'm going to guess Miguel, Carlos, Gio. I'm going to guess Michelle.
No.
Samantha. Good, okay. And you're Michelle. Good, okay. So Samantha said, no, Michelle said A squared plus B squared equals C squared.